Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Honda Passport TrailSport. This has a silver exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Come around to the back here. TrailSport, Passport, Honda badging. And the power opening and closing trunk. Plenty of storage space back here. And you can also, push of a button, fold those rear seats down for even more storage. Stitching details throughout the vehicle. See rear seats here. Quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Memory seats. Driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, TrailSport stitching there, steering wheel, push button ignition. And mileage on this vehicle currently at 2,691. And here we have our navigation, radio, and backup camera, climate control, shifter, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.